Here today I'll be showing you how to use the tire repair kit. So the tire repair kit uses, this is the pump solution and also the pump itself. So I'll be showing you how to use these two to repair your tire. So here we have the solution. It's actually said sealant. How you use this, you actually have a hose right here, and what you do, move this cap here. So this is actually a protection cap. We're going to uncap the valve dust cap, then this will actually attach to this by screwing. We're going to go move to the pump. This one, it actually comes in a manual, so you can go read further information how to use it. So there are some sections here. So this section here, this is where the sealant will go into. This will go into the cigarette light section in the vehicle. So you're going to insert it in the cigarette section. And this right here, it actually shows you the bars or the measurement and how much you can gauge it to be exact. You can gauge how much air should go into the wheel. So normally for cars, it should be 30 psi, and on the red section here, it actually tells you how much psi it is when being used. So this here, this tag here, it actually reads say that maximum 80 kilometers per hour. So meaning that if you do exceed over 80 kilometers per hour, you'll actually undo of repairing your tire. So do not go over 80 kilometers per hour. So when you remove the tag, you actually place it on the center cap. So when you go to the tire repair shop, you can show the guy which tire you have been trying to repair. So you'll remove this and then you will attach to this section. After you attach to this section, you will go inside and turn on the vehicle, and then you will turn on your pump. So the pump can be worked.